Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're talking about NIO, which does not seem to be doing very well these days. If you look here, it seems like the current reporting is that NIO and all these other Chinese manufacturers of electric cars are under pressure for some reason. Chip shortage caught NIO off guard, so they're having supply chain issues, which is never good. I mean, it's a growing company. They have a lot of, Tesla rival NIO halts factory amidst chip shortage. Oh, okay, yeah, so that's just the supply chain issue. Should you buy the dip? It seems like there's a dip. I can't even figure out how to see what the stock price is, and that's problematic. Yeah, so NIO went up a bunch. It was the darling of 2020, 1,000 or more percent increase in value. That's pretty crazy. But in any case, this year has been sort of a pullback, very, very little, if any, growth whatsoever. And, people might be worried. Is this as much as NIO is going to grow? I don't know. I think long term it has a chance, especially with the adversarial nature between the U.S. and China these days, it seems, and Biden continuing these policies. China might not want companies like Tesla in their borders, especially sort of pulling a switcheroo but using our tricks against us, claiming that there are security risks with using a Tesla in China, just like we did with Huawei and other companies of that nature. And so, regardless of whether any of these accusations are founded or not, it definitely leaves an opening for a Chinese-based company to flourish, especially with their new technology, where with battery replacements, since battery technology is definitely going to be important in the future, but it's just nowhere near where it needs to be to get a 10-minute recharge and be able to go. So gas-powered cars will always be more efficient in that regard. However, NIO's battery replacement model actually will give gas-powered vehicles a run for their money. So that's pretty exciting long-term, I think. I don't really know how to value any of that, though. Like that, there's definitely is something about like stock, valuation that requires some level of math thought, which is too bad because I don't want to do that. And then it seems like the hype around the stock is kind of dwindling. So I don't know if it'll return. I think it will. I think when more Chinese policies are coming back, there's a chance for it to return. I think there's also a risk that the news will overemphasize a risk to U.S. investors in terms of investing in Chinese markets at all, and so that could hurt NIO's stock in the short term again. I think long term it has decent tech. I don't know what that means in terms of stock price, but usually that seems to mean that stocks go up. But it could continue to be a rocky road for NIO for the next year or two, and especially for U.S. investors. So that's my thought. I clicked on this like big battery news thing. It was last week though. They're doing something with it though, so that's exciting. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know if it's down. Probably don't sell. If you're down, definitely don't sell. Maybe buy, but it is kind of expensive, and I really don't know how much it's going to go up. So we'll see. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of NIO stock, if you think it's good or not, and where you think it's going to go this year, next 5 years, next 10 years, whatever. Yeah, I'd also be interested in knowing just what time frame you guys look at for investing. Are you day traders? Are you trading, shorter, medium term, like a day, a week, a month? Or are you long term, a year, 5 years, 10 years, just throwing money in index funds? I love it all, so let me know. All right, peace everybody.